Okay, yeah, so it's pleb gang in this beat.
Pleb gang in this bitch. For those of you guys who don't know what pleb is, what's a pleb?
Well, I'm gonna explain it to him right now. A pleb is an ordinary person, usually part of a lower social class. So like, there's kings, there's queens, and there's fucking plebs. So all y'all pretty much plebs.
Come on, man.
No. Not even in that way. Because that's why we rap. That's why we rap what we rap, because we want to rep the people. The you know, people who ain't even on that level. Like, we all ordinary and we all go through things. We all who we is. So shit.
So when we do these pleb videos, we're gonna look very plebish.
So
you know, we got the twist out. We got the doobie doo.
Shawty said she loved me. I told her on it probably. Got my twist out and I'm getting on that Bobby.
So yeah. Basically today we're just gonna go for a little ride. We're gonna take you guys with us. We're gonna go to get some food. We might even do a mukbang.
I think we should do a fucking mukbang.
A fucking mukbang?
Wait, didn't we say we were gonna be a little bit more generous towards the kids?
Oh shit.
Well, we fucked up then. Well, guess it's a fucking problem. No, it is a problem.
Okay. This time I'm gonna block out the curses.
We'll block it out. A little bit of them. Yeah.
Get them all out right now.
We wanted to get. We want to keep it raw.
Bitch.
You fucking asshole. Fucking hate you. Did I ever tell you?
So right now we're waiting for Plebton. She's the third pleb.
Yeah. So we actually have nicknames for each other. So this is Pleba. I'm Plebney, because my name is Sydney.
And the third person coming is gonna be Plebton. Where is she?
I thought I just heard it.
See? Told you I heard.
Oh, look at her. She looks very...
right there.
Oh my god, look at Plebton.
Ultimately Plebton.
She's looking awfully plebby today.
I told Plebton probably.
What's poppin', Pleb? Do it one time for the kid, Pleb. Get it. Hey. What's poppin', gang?
What's good, Plebton?
How you doing? How you feeling? Feeling real pleb-like tonight.
I can feel it from here.
I can feel it in the air.
I can feel
What's
it.
poppin', Pleb? How you doing?
Sorry. Okay. So we're gonna cut this one off and we're gonna tune back in when we get to
tune back in. Keep watching. It's gonna be worth it. Cause we doing some pleb shit.
Did you see well, I put a strap out tonight. Niggas don't want me to pull a strap out.
So we're at CVS now. Pleb gang out here looking crazy. Gang in this bitch.
So this is Pleb Gang Live. We out here, we're Pleb Gang, and we're fucking live. And what are we getting right now, Plebson?
We're in here to get some bobby pins, but I don't think we're really gonna pay for them. I think we're just gonna slip them. You know, all out.
Shit. You know me, Pleb. Matter of fact, I need a couple things.
Hold up.
Y'all fuck with us.
But Sydney, $4 for a bobby pin.
Oh, they got me fucked up if they think we paying $4. Look, why y'all gotta be picky? It's just for the front of the head.
Oh, look.
Yeah.
Those are these are little joints.
Turn the camera around.
Oh, we got the little joints.
But they don't got the ridges though. They don't. Why they got the ridges though?
Plebton knows a lot, okay? She knows a lot about ridges, and she knows a lot about Slim Jims.
You feel me? Oh my god, it's too close. Y'all almost saw my tooth.
Ooh, my tooth was all up and close and personal.
You don't want to see the tooth, fine? You don't want to see the tooth. Hey.
You want to see the tooth? Hey, you don't want to see the tooth.
We want to see the tooth. Come back.
Let me look at that tooth. Hey. Let me look at that. Look. Yo, I can't do it. Did we see the tooth though? Wait, when are we seeing the tooth? Papa Raz. On my body. Boo, 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 boo. Got it. Body. Cause you know we got it. Hey.
Cause I'm a young daddy.
You is a young daddy. Look at you with your young daddy ass.
We back to the tooth.
We back to the tooth. We back to the tooth. Back to the tooth. Back. Now. Oh my god. You are so plebby, it's crazy. Whoa, what is going on, Sarah Kim? Alright, we're fucking out of here. Why is that receipt so long, though?
Damn, what? What was the problem? What was that? Oh, alright.
Pleb, get the fuck in the car.
Right. Hold me back.
Yo, shut the fuck up. Yo, I don't know what's good with her.
My 2 cents.
But regardless of what's good with her or not, Shorty is on drugs. Who, her? She's a buddy.
Alright, where are we going to eat?
I think we're gonna do.
You need you a Red Bull. I need me a Red Bull. I need me a macchiato. We about to head up
Shit,
to
fuck a
Starbucks.
macchiato. I need me a matcha tea. A matcha tea.
Where are we going? We're going on a trip
In our favorite pleb shit.
Heading to
The sky.
Little plebster.
little
So-
whore. I
You a little whore.
We'll see. Tonight is Buffalo Wild Wings night, and it's 29 cents.
I think that's what we should do.
Unless y'all want to go.
But I
to
really did
Applebee's.
want to do a mukbang. It's
What?
when you buy a bunch of food and you record yourself eating it.
But you know us, we all about bang bang.
And,
So
like,
I think
people
we're gonna
like
stick
that.
with
We have
mukbang.
money for that.
That looks how pretty. Look how fucking pretty Pleva is. Fuck out
Fucking poppin', plebba.
One time for the birthday big. Hey, go Pleva, go Pleva. Get it down.
It was supposed to go like this.
I was just doing it. Oh my god. Yo, and that's a sin because usually Plebton always is on beat. Oh, we cutting the tape. Plebton is currently unlive.
Next destination.
Next destination. Ooh. Next destination. Peace.
So, Pleb Gang is at the mall.
You already know that.
At the Thottery.
Down, B, because you got 3 ladies walking right now.
Because you got 3 fine ladies walking right here.
You got 3 Johns.
Alright. Whoa. Hey. Yo, those people were probably just like, what?
Yo, it's crazy. Get down the thing.
I got it when we were back there. So we're going to Buffalo Wild Wings right now.
We're gonna make a mukbang.
We're gonna make a mukbang, but
Do we have to explain
Can you not come back on this side?
oh shit, Pleb. We're going to Buffalo Wild Wings right now. They have 25-cent wings today.
And I'll
It's
be
wing night.
disclaimer. She said that a couple of times.
Because you
do
guys
not
keep
get mad at
fucking
her
interrupting.
because we
That's
keep
why I'm-
interrupting.
So yeah, we're going to Buffalo Wild Wings to get wings right now. They're 25 cents a wing. It's
disclaimer,
wing night.
that's the
Yo, shut the fuck up.
Example of pleb.
This is a real pleb.
That was about the
Yo, pleb.
That's about the 16th time she said that. So we're gonna cut that one
Can you
out.
just fucking tell them what we're going to do right now? Because they
We're
don't
gonna make a
know.
mukbang.
We're gonna make a
mukbang
mukbang.
at Buffalo Wild Wings.
And it should be pretty fucking weird. Can't
It's
wait.
gonna be pretty fucking raunchy.
We're also
gonna
gonna
make
get
it real
lit.
raunchy.
Just kidding.
Well, if we can get what we want, we're getting lit. Okay, bye guys.
Wet.
Do do do. Change your line.
Ew, bitch.
Oh my god.
Hold on. I'm in the way.
This celery is wet. What the fuck? It's wet as hell. It's so wet, it's crazy.
Wow, great view.
That girl just gave you the middle finger.
Ooh.
The little redhead one.
What the fuck she did?
I
Yo,
swear
what the
to God.
fuck is going
Roll
on?
the camera.
Why would she give me the middle?
Because she thought she
Is
was
it
on
rolling?
camera.
Alright, let's do this.
Oh.
I'm starting with these. These are loaded, what are they?
Potato
Loaded
wedges.
potato wedges.
And I'm starting with these because she said they was wet and they now wet. Now they wet.
Tacos.
You guys want to try it?
Yo, I hate when Kirsten asks us to try her stuff.
She always does.
Always. And it's not in a bad way. It's just, I feel
But
like
is this
she
a
needs to
fucking
eat.
drum or a fucking street
taco?
Those are good.
Street taco.
These are good. Those are good.
You guys want to try tacos?
Oh.
They're so good.
I don't like chicken in my tacos. I like this. I like buffalo. I mean,
Here
blue
comes your
cheese.
friend.
Who, man? Who?
This time she got her head straight.
Jackie? Please swear to God. Hey, Jack. What? Come on, man.
Yo, you just did some pleb ass shit.
That was some real pleb shit.
Sorry. The small is really fucking dead, bro.
It is pretty dead, but ain't nothing dead when we got the plebs. That's all
Ain't
I'm
nothing
saying.
but a gangsta party.
It's so good.
I fucking love
so
buffalo.
delicious. Because it's a traditional taste, like that contrast of the cool blue cheese, and then you got the fucking hot sauce. Everything's just beautiful. It's a mesh in your mouth that you can't explain.
This is a black cherry mojito.
Excuse me, I'm sorry.
It's supposed to have alcohol in it, but it doesn't.
It's pretty much a fucking
No way.
alcohol-less mojito.
What the fuck is all that clear shit in it?
Water.
Yeah.
Paddock water.
It's real cherry-like.
And minty-like.
Real sweet-like.
Real fresh.
Suck it from the rooter to the tuber.
Whoa. Let me see how you eat your wing.
I do not eat. Like this.
The music.
Maybe later.
Get it off with some good dick.
You fucking thought. She thought, y'all.
Damn right.
Her like, damn right, that's the life I live. Kissing is a thought, and you know, nigga.
Yo, come on, man.
Bitch, you just said damn right. She just said damn right. Now I'm wrong. Okay. Your mind's telling you yeah, and your body telling you yeah too. Look at that. She's about to bite into that. That got
Courtney.
sour cream,
Straight
ketchup,
ahead.
cheese, bacon.
Why do you always say that? Why do you always say that?
Put in your mouth.
With a black.
It was fucking blurry when I put it in your mouth.
Put it in where?
In my mouth.
In her mouth.
Obviously, didn't we just say that?
These two
Stupid. Right now, though, I'm not even gonna front.
Go pleb, hurdle it, bitch.
Alright, you got it.
Hurdle it. What? Oh my god, you almost broke it. Your turn, pleb.
Hurdle it.
Gang.
Woo! Get my shit. Oh.
Thank you, Gloria.
They wanted to do all this jumping. I'm not doing all that today.
If I win a pair, right? Where is my size? What size are these?
Bitch, you either Yeezy,
But listen,
Fakey,
let me explain this to
Jakey,
you.
or
I'm not a
Stakey.
So are we gonna do
what
the
are we
trap?
doing now?
I want to do the fucking trap thing.
0% beef.
Wait, ain't that bad? Wait, we want the beef.
Yeah, we want the beef. 100%
Give me all the
beef.
Whoa.
Get me, I'm not a thot, but I could be.
I'm a thought and I drop it like it's hot.
Drop it. Woo! Drop it, plebby, drop it.
What about this?
Pleb.
Oh, I'm not. I'll drop it and we gonna have to stop it.
Yeah.
We've got a spectator.
Getting it, you feel me? You already know.
Oh, I
gang,
fuck
gang.
with him.
Feel me? You already know. It's your boy A.Dot, gang. You already know. Brooklyn, New York, 20 Island. What's up? What's going on, niggas? You already know. Holla at your boy.
We
Oh
heard
my God,
you,
how everybody
heard
doing
you.
tonight? You already know.
Good.
Everybody.
We not even famous. Pretzel Factory. Look, he said hi. Come see him at Pretzel. Just everybody. I swear, you get one little tripod. One little camera. You are lit. And everybody want to try it. I want to try the tripod. Oh, I already tried it.
I really want to do the 5 wits though.
I'll take the first one. Bring it in.
It just cost me $7.89.
What? Y'all are some weirdos.
All right, you next, Sippy.
My earrings blew out.
Oh my God, no, fuck. Now something happened with
Drop it.
Woo! She said I'm fucking dead.
Alright, we're headed back to the car now. I'm not sure where life's gonna take us after this.
Put it next to it, nation in the car kitchen. In the car in the kitchen. We be water whipping, got that protect water dripping. Oh!
People really think we're famous. It's so funny. Okay, bye.
Okay, we are.
Young nigga, huh? Young nigga, bought your Skrilla, huh? Young nigga, get them bitches, huh?